Hi guys, today you're going to be watching the Rubik's Impossible get solved in less than 1 minute. Now the Rubik's Impossible is a puzzle that was made in 2021, and the thing about it is it has color changing tiles, which make it a lot harder than the regular Rubik's Cube. So you'll notice when you first open it that it comes solved. And this is how it looks, as I've been showing you. Now I'm going to start mixing it up. I do each of these moves at random. I did some research to see how long it takes to solve this, and some people have solved it in 3 hours, and they are experienced speed cubers. Now, my average is 30 to 40 seconds, and that's because it took me a month to solve it at first, another month to get used to it, and few years to get good at it. Now I'm going to show you how I solve it. I'm going to look at it first. It takes a little while because it's a lot harder than the regular Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to start solving it now. And that was 34.68 seconds. Now let's see if it really is solved. So let's look at the oranges. Yeah, that's solved. The greens. Yep. Reds. There we go. And blues. Not to forget the whites. And the yellows. So, let's see here. How to tell if it's solved. All you have to do is just tilt it just a little bit, and all the different colors turn into one same color, like the oranges here. They all turn orange at the same time. And I will show you in my next video how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.